Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive market analysis for apartment investments, covering the latest key trends that every investor should know. Apartment investments have consistently been a strong asset class, providing a dependable income stream and promising long-term capital appreciation. However, the landscape is evolving, with new trends and factors that are reshaping the rental market in substantial ways. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, understanding these trends is critical for making informed decisions. So let's explore what's shaping this market and what it means for investors today. The real estate market, as many know, is ever-changing. Investing in apartment complexes rather than single-family homes offers unique benefits, like steady rental income from multiple tenants, which can help reduce vacancy risks. Unlike single-family homes, where one tenant vacancy can halt income, an apartment complex with multiple units provides income continuity. Additionally, apartment investments can yield higher returns, as properties with more units often bring economies of scale in terms of management and operational costs. With this backdrop, let's look at the specific trends influencing the apartment market today. The key trends we'll be covering are the shift in rental demand, the evolving urban versus suburban living preferences, the role of government regulations, the rise of remote work, and the increasing demand for sustainability and green buildings. Let's start by discussing our first major trend: rental demand. Trend 1: shift in rental demand. Over the past decade, we've seen significant shifts in rental demand. Younger generations, like Millennials and Gen Z, are driving the rental market. These generations are showing a strong preference for renting over buying homes, and there are several reasons behind this. Many young people today are choosing flexibility over ownership. Renting provides them the freedom to relocate, which aligns well with the lifestyle. Many of them want one that's less rooted to one location and allows for mobility and new experiences. Moreover, rising property prices are putting homeownership out of reach for some. According to recent reports, housing prices have increased by as much as 20 to 30% in certain metropolitan areas over the last few years. This has led many potential buyers to remain renters, either by choice or due to affordability constraints. For investors, this means that the rental market, especially for apartments, may continue to grow as younger people stay in rental properties longer. Interestingly, it's not only younger people. Many retirees are now opting to rent instead of owning a home. The benefits of renting, like lower maintenance responsibilities and the ability to downsize without hassle, are attractive to retirees who seek convenience and ease. For example, some retirees prefer living in smaller apartments within urban areas that offer a good lifestyle without the upkeep of a large home. This growing demographic can create opportunities in the senior housing market within the apartment investment sector. Trend 2: urban vs. suburban preferences. Let's move on to another big factor shaping apartment investments: urban versus suburban living preferences. Traditionally, urban areas were seen as the most desirable rental locations because of their proximity to jobs, amenities, and vibrant lifestyles. However, the pandemic changed that. For the first time in decades, suburban areas and smaller cities saw a surge in popularity. People wanted more space, especially those working from home, and sought affordability outside of the high-cost urban centers. Now, the question many are asking is, will this shift to suburban and smaller cities last, or will people return to urban centers as life normalizes? Some experts believe that a balance is emerging. Certain urban areas will retain their allure, especially those with high employment opportunities and rich amenities. But suburban apartments in smaller cities have also established a new appeal for renters seeking more space and affordability without sacrificing too much convenience. For apartment investors, this means that a balanced strategy might be the best approach. Focus on emerging suburban neighborhoods with good transport connections and access to essential services. Locations that offer both an urban feel with suburban benefits are likely to attract renters. Moreover, it's worthwhile to explore up-and-coming cities where population growth is expected. Trend 3: Government regulations and market impact. Another factor that cannot be overlooked is government regulations. In the apartment investment world, policies like rent control and zoning laws have a huge impact on profitability. Let's break this down. Rent control, for instance, aims to make housing more affordable by capping rent increases. This is beneficial for tenants, especially in high-cost urban centers, but it can limit the income growth potential for apartment owners. In cities like New York and San Francisco, rent control laws can be strict, which can make these areas challenging for investors looking for high returns. However, other markets may offer tax incentives for apartment investors willing to develop affordable housing, or for those who engage in green building practices. Understanding these policies can help investors identify markets that offer the best balance of return and risk. For instance, some states or municipalities provide tax breaks for converting properties into affordable housing units. While these properties may not bring in luxury rental rates, they can still offer steady income with government support and incentives. And 4. Remote work, its influence on apartment demand. Remote work has arguably been one of the biggest lifestyle changes of recent times, and it's shaping where and how people want to live. With millions of people working from home, there is a growing demand for apartments that offer extra space for home offices, better internet connectivity, and even community co-working spaces. This trend has profound implications for apartment investors. An apartment complex with larger floor plans or flexible layouts can now be more attractive to renters who need that extra room for work-from-home setups. As an investor, if you're considering a property, look at whether units can be modified to add flexible spaces that can function as home offices. Moreover, providing community amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi and designated work areas could set your property apart in a competitive market. Trend 5: Demand for sustainable green buildings. The last major trend we'll discuss today is the demand for sustainable and green buildings. More renters, especially Millennials and Gen Z, prioritize eco-friendly and energy-efficient living spaces. that include energy-efficient appliances, green building materials, and sustainable energy sources like solar power are becoming highly desirable. While investing in green building solutions might come with a higher initial cost, the benefits can be significant. For instance, energy-efficient buildings often have lower utility costs, which can allow you to attract tenants willing to pay a premium for sustainable living. Moreover, in some regions, governments offer incentives and tax deductions for eco-friendly building improvements. By investing in sustainable solutions, you not only help the environment but also potentially increase your property's long-term value and appeal. Conclusion summary. To summarize, apartment investments are evolving with trends in rental demand, urban vs. suburban shifts, government regulations, remote work, and sustainability. By understanding these key factors, investors can make more informed decisions and potentially maximize returns. If you're considering apartment investments, keep these insights in mind, and remember, research and strategic planning are essential. Whether you're targeting younger renters, catering to remote workers, or investing in sustainable developments, aligning your approach with these trends can give you an edge in today's market. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our real estate investment insights and trends. See you in the next video.